Angot kini an kada hi haikut kibiadon mentalang hak jing yai dali bla pelong da hima Sohra kila penpawi ke jing bomihap ya jing tak dul Sniew kibreu nabar ya ke jela mekraya berketan Sohra hadin ke jing syak penyap uraja rakuban si dangsyen habakran mentak sengi ke sepotri ujeleu aja pesan sekilat petai ke bola Sohra kini ginang sejasat an kibawan kai Sohra kila ongba klaim kisaki kisabut kibabiang omla ban Kynnoh pathare kibai bak Sohra tang nama bagajia katan Sohra kila ongba krapau bagi pai bak Sohra kidai baloi bat dai tang kilat patai kubur kari kiba penbit kete ya kejing bahabri Sohra kani kijikan jongki kalong hadin ba sangut kibre ga asya kem hadin bala penlong kejing toki kiba benia halo kejing don keti jongki ban penyap ya raja rakhu bansi kini kibre baro kidai na Indur Madhya Pradesh.
Please stop showing these videos without
verifying the news.
without verifying the facts.
And
Whatever
without
happened-
evidence, you can't blame these people. And we are advocates also.
We are practicing Delhi High Court.
Okay.
Police and it's completely trial. Whatever is deciding in this case is decided by the honorable court, honorable judges.
But one thing is already decided. In this whole matter, these peoples are innocent. And only the national media or kind of say that unverified facts, they are just tarnishing their image. So please stop these fake news. These persons are very beautiful, very supportive, and the beauty here and the persons, their hospitality is non-parallel. And please don't blame these people for this incident. This lady has her own past, and the whole incident is just because of that. And these persons are innocent and they are very beautiful. Thank you.
We are but we didn't feel like what the media is showing right now. We feel very safe, and we are roaming in night at 12 and we didn't feel like this. Just the media.
The Meghalaya is completely safe. And whatever the memories we made whatever the memories we are collected from here, we can't put that into the words. It is completely helpful. All people of the Meghalaya are very helpful, very kind. The nature of the Meghalaya is very beautiful.
What is